Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete posts of friends who tag us on Instagram. So as you know, if a friend tag you on Instagram, it will show in your profile, and I'm going to show you how to delete or remove it from your file. So just go to your profile and go to the tag photo, this one right here, the people icon, and here is the list of photos that my friends tag me. And if you want to delete the post, for example, this one right here, what you need to do is open the post and then click on the three dots icon at the top of the photo, and here click on the tag option, and there are three options that you can choose. You can remove you from your from the post, and you can also hide from your profile, so you can just choose one of these. If you want to remove, just click on remove me from post, but if you only want to delete or hide it from your profile, just click on hide from my profile. So when you do that, the photo has been removed or deleted from your profile. And then, if as you can see, there is the photo is no more on my profile. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.